Morning guys. Okay, so today we're going to have a go at rubbing down this bumper, I think. First thing I've noticed is this splitter seems to be held on by cable ties. Yeah, loads of cable ties everywhere. So I think the first thing we'll do is get that off. Okay, well they are off. So I think at some stage we'll give these a good clean back, see what they look like, and see if we can get them back to black. Okay, right, next thing I think we need to get this grill off. It doesn't look like it's secured on very well anyway. So, right, let's get that out. Yeah, it's coming up really well guys. Little mark there, look. I'll put some stopper in that or something. But yeah, it's rubbing down really nicely. Got to get this crap off here where the number plate housing was. But yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there. Right, let's carry on. Well guys, that's come up really well. Quicker than I expected actually. Yeah, that's come up really well. Yeah, a bit later on this week I'll go out putting this on the car just to size it up. We'll sort out that splitter as well. Right, okie dokie. Right guys, we're going to have a go at repairing this headlamp unit. There's a bracket broken off here. It goes on here. Oh, sorry, it goes on here, and then this piece goes on here. Yeah, this piece goes on here. Now I've no idea whether we're going to be able to repair this or not. If not a big issue. There's a breaker who's got one of these backing units for 30 quid. But if we can repair it, we'll have a go at it. Save 30 quid, I suppose. We'll have a go. Something to have a play with. I've got some epoxy resin. 2 seconds. Let's go and grab it. Yep. Okay. So we've got this epoxy resin. Got it off Amazon or eBay. Can't remember now. I think it was about £5 or something. So we'll have a go at this. See if we can use this to put it together. Right, let's get started. See how it goes. Okay, I've read the instructions this time, and we need to mix a 50-50 mix of each tube until it starts to go warm, and then we can apply it to the to the plastic. Okay, here we go. Right, so I've spread some of the fluid in both sides of that fracture, and we'll see if we can bring it up and somehow clamp it together. Okay, here we go. Right guys, so that's bonded. Let's let that set, see how that goes, and we'll come back to it. Right guys, while I'm waiting for that to set, what I want to do, I want to take these clips off, I think. I've got some black paint on the rack, so I'm going to clean these up and just paint them up a bit. Just tidy it up a bit, really. Right, let's get started. Right, okay, I think I'll use the rechargeable drill with a wire brush on it, I think, to start with, and see how that goes. Failing that, we'll use some sandpaper. That's it. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Hopefully that will be strong enough. Just tidy that up a bit, I think. Right guys, and there we go. Cleaned up a little bit. And tomorrow maybe we'll bolt on the indicator and put this one in the car. Ready to accept the bumper then, I think. Right, okay, that'll do for today, I think, guys. Again, if you like what we're doing, give us a big thumbs up, please. Got anything to say, drop us a comment down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do. Love to see you. And take care, guys. See you tomorrow, perhaps. Bye-bye.